Hey guys, my name is Kara and this is
Kelly.
And we are partners and we are here at our newest listing. We're so excited to show it to you. This is 638 LM Davey Lane up here in Titusville, and this is going to be a stunner. You're just going to love this. I mean, first off, check it out. It actually has a 3-car garage and it has this beautiful stonework outside, including these gorgeous shutters. It really has that cool traditional look right here in Titusville. So let's take a look inside and see what else we can see. So you come into this nice glass window and a beautiful entryway.
And then the guest bedroom and ensuite.
Oh, an ensuite, that's awesome. Check that out. So we have like a whole bedroom up front, so you have your whole guest suite. And it has its own bathroom and entrance to that bathroom, which is also pretty darn awesome. So your guests will always be comfortable.
Now this main entrance, we have a dining room to your left. Huge, with 8 seats.
You could also make this a pool room.
Oh, that would be fun. You have a wine bar set up.
Again, great for that pool room. Just saying, if anybody likes to play pool.
And then on to your living room, which is an open concept. And then little kitchen nook. And your full kitchen with an island in the middle, a sink, 2 sinks.
Check that out. Double oven, microwave, electric cooktop. I mean, check out the Christmas and Thanksgiving dinners you can have here. That's awesome.
It'd be amazing.
All right, and then also in the same space, you have your laundry room dedicated, which is awesome. Look at all this space. And your entrance
To your 2-car garage. Oh, I lied. It's a 3-car garage.
Look at all this stuff you can fit in here. That's crazy. Well, moving right along, I'm sure everybody wants to know what the primary bedroom suite looks like. Tray ceilings. Look at all this space.
It's a huge master bedroom.
Totally.
And then also a very large bathroom with your own soaking tub, walk-in shower,
Nice. What's in
and
there?
double vanity.
Oh yeah.
And this
His and hers.
beautiful closet.
Oh, I'm so jealous. It's bigger than mine. Of course. Now for the additional 2 guest bedrooms. So you not only get your primary suite, your guest bedroom suite, but then you get an additional 2 bedrooms. Crazy. Well, this is the bathroom. So this is actually considered a cabana bath because
It has a door to the outside.
nice.
Then one of your spacious guest bedrooms also has a spacious closet as well.
Oh yeah, the walk-in closets in this place is awesome. Everybody wants a walk-in closet. Everybody gets a walk-in closet.
Or storage.
Or storage.
Then there's another guest bedroom which they have as a office.
Again, huge. You can make it whatever you want. And another walk-in closet. Nice. Well, let's go out to the back porch. Surely we all have places to entertain. Wow, look how big this is. Again, almost running the length of the house. You have all of the space and a fully fenced yard. I don't know about you, Kelly, but I feel like this is a great home. I can't wait to show it to you.